Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to teach you how you can create an animated email signature that you can add to your email account, something like this, and you can do it for free using Canva. So what you'll do is sign into your Canva account, and then over here it will say more. So what will you design today? You're going to click on more to see all of the options. And then here under what would you like to create, just type in email. And you should see email signature. Otherwise, you can create a custom size document of 400 by 200 pixels. But I'm just going to click on this. So this will open up a new window. And now we're ready to create our signature. First, we're going to add text. So click on the text button on the left, and then click Add a Text Box. So here you want to type in your name or whatever you want your email signature to be. So let's say I'm doing Jen Teaches Tech. You might put your first and last name. The most important thing is we need this to be the size or as big as possible so it fills this frame. Otherwise, when we export, we'll have a bunch of empty space. So to increase the size, you can click on your text box and then click right here. Or you can click on the text, and then if you put your cursor of your mouse in one of the corners where you see the circle, you click and drag. And so you can just do that and then, keep repositioning it until it fills this frame. Something like that would be good. So now what you can do is change the font. So you can change it by clicking on this box here and choose whatever font you like. I'm going to go with Joella, and I'm going to make it even bigger now something like that. So you can also change the color. Let's say I just wanted to change the color of one of the words. I can highlight the part I want to change, then click on the text color icon, choose from any of these preset colors, or choose a specific color by clicking Add a New Color. And then, you can go ahead and choose whatever color you want. You can also add a text effect or an outline by clicking on the text, clicking effects, and there are all these different effects you can add. So if you wanted to add a glow or an echo or whatever you want, an outline, change the color of the outline, you can do that as well. I'm just going to click on remove effect because I want it to be quite simple. So the next thing I want to do is add a little element. You don't have to, this is optional. I'm going to click here on elements, and I'm going to type in cursor. So let's say, because this is a tech channel, I want mine to have a little mouse cursor or a click. So maybe this icon here. And I'm just going to change the color of this by clicking on the color icon, and I'm going to make it so it matches the color of Teaches. And then again, you can just readjust it, position it how you like it on the screen. Okay, so now we're ready to animate. So first I want to animate Jen Teaches Tech. I'm going to click on my text, then I'm going to click here on animate. Now I have all these different effects I can choose. We've got typewriter, ascend, shift, burst. Typewriter is a common one for an email signature. I'm going to go with burst. So just click to apply it, and then you have the option to adjust the intensity. If you don't have a pro version of Canva, you just have to leave it like it is. But if you do have a pro version, you can adjust the intensity. So make it a little slower or faster, however you want. I'm gonna make it a little bit slower. Okay, and now I want to animate this little icon as well. So just click on it, and under animate, I like this neon one. So the last thing we have to do is adjust the timing of the animation if you have more than one element. So I don't want the animations popping up at once. I want this cursor to pop up after. So what I'm going to do is right click on the element or the object and click Show Element Timings. And that's going to show me right here the timing of this animation. So if I click my mouse at the start and then drag it maybe around 3 seconds in, that is indicating when this animation will begin. And if you want to adjust the timing of another element, you would just click on it, and you can see here that my text is going to begin the animation right away, and that the mouse click will pop up a few seconds in. So you can just click on the edges to adjust that. And when you want to export it, all you're going to do is click on Share at the top, and then click on Download. And now make sure you change it and you don't download it as MP4 video, because this is not a video. We want it to be a GIF, GIF. And a GIF will mean that it will just keep replaying on repeat, okay? So you can keep it as a white background, or you can download it as a transparent background. I'm just going to keep the white background because usually emails are white. So I'm just going to click Download, and that is going to download as a GIF. So let's click on it and see what it looks like. And there you go. And then you can go ahead and upload that or add that as an email signature so that it will automatically be attached to any email that you send to someone. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe if you're interested in more content like this. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching and have a great day.